How to transfer Google Play Games data to the Game Center. So in this tutorial, it is very easy. So please watch until the end of this video. So let us go and open our Play Store. And then tap on your profile here. And make sure that your profile here is the same as logged in here in your Play Games application. So let us go and open this one. So once you're in the home page, tap on the three dots, and once on the three dots, tap on settings. And in here you can see that my profile or my email is the same with the Play Store. And under profile and privacy, you would see a option called automatically connect your Play Games. So in this way, you can now connect your Play Store data and your Play Games data. In that way, you can now transfer your data and not have any problems when you are switching devices. And you would not have any problems in logging in your device if you are having issues as well with the data. So that's it for this tutorial. Just turn on that option if you have that. So if this video helps, please subscribe and click that bell icon on so you'll be updated in this channel. So again, thank you for watching.